Have you ever looked around your home and felt just a little overwhelmed by how quickly things pile up? Maybe you've noticed that items don't always end up back where they belong, or that clutter seems to gather overnight. If you're over 60 and want to enjoy a calm, clean, and comfortable home, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about simple daily habits that can help keep your home organized without tiring you out or making you feel like you're always tidying up. These aren't complicated tricks or expensive tools, just gentle habits that make your home easier to manage, one small step at a time. Let's start with something small but powerful. Making your bed. It may seem like a small detail, but making the bed each morning creates an instant feeling of order. It sets the tone for the day and brings a sense of calm to your bedroom. A neat bed instantly makes the whole room look cleaner. And it's not about perfection, it's about intention. When you start your day by putting things in place, it's easier to keep that energy going throughout your home. And for many seniors, that kind of positive momentum is key. Now think about the little items you use daily, your glasses, remote controls, medicine, or the book you're currently reading. These items deserve a home of their own. One simple habit is returning these things to their proper place every evening. It doesn't take more than a minute, but it saves time and frustration the next day. Having one small tray on the kitchen counter, a little basket on the coffee table, or a drawer that holds essentials can make all the difference. You won't have to search for lost items, and your surfaces stay clearer and calmer. Next, consider the mail. Oh, the endless stream of paper that arrives daily. Bills, letters, ads, magazines. One of the best habits you can adopt is to handle your mail the moment it comes into the house. Sort it while standing next to the trash or recycle bin. Throw out junk mail immediately. Place important papers in a labeled folder or an organizer on your desk. When seniors stay on top of the paper clutter, it prevents piles from forming and makes the space feel much more manageable. In the kitchen, think of cleanup as part of cooking. Instead of letting dishes pile up, try washing them right after your meal, or loading them directly into the dishwasher if you have one. Wipe the counters, put the sponge away, and restore that feeling of calm. This daily habit is not just about cleanliness. It also makes it easier to enjoy meals and cooking without feeling burdened by the mess. For many older adults, keeping the kitchen tidy reduces the risk of accidents and makes food prep feel like less of a chore. If you live with others, especially grandchildren or caregivers, make it a habit to communicate your routines. Let them know what spaces you'd like to keep clear or what tasks they can help with. Often, clutter builds when routines aren't shared. But when everyone knows where things go and what matters to you, your home runs more smoothly. This kind of gentle communication also helps you feel in control and respected in your space. Now let's talk about clothes. A great habit is to spend just 5 minutes at the end of each day checking your bedroom or closet. Put dirty clothes in the hamper, fold anything clean, and hang up anything that's still wearable. Over time, this becomes second nature. And for seniors, maintaining this habit helps keep the room peaceful and prevents tripping hazards that can come from piles on the floor. It's a small investment of time that pays off in comfort and safety. One area that many seniors forget is digital clutter. Each day, take a moment to delete old emails or clear notifications from your phone or tablet. You don't need to become a tech expert. Just reducing digital noise helps your mind feel less crowded. And that's part of an organized life, too. A tidy inbox and a quiet phone screen can feel just as peaceful as a clean countertop. For those who love reading or crafts, it's easy to let books or supplies take over tables and chairs. The key habit here is finishing the activity and then resetting the space. If you enjoy knitting in the living room, have a little basket to hold your yarn when you're done. If you read in bed, keep a small stack of books beside you but return the extras to a shelf every few days. These little resets maintain the balance between living in your space and honoring its order. Bathrooms can be tricky as well. Seniors often use many products, lotions, medications, hygiene items. And if you have limited space, things can get crowded. A good habit is to check the bathroom while brushing your teeth at night. Are the counters clean? Did you put the cap back on your toothpaste? Are there any empty bottles to toss? This simple review keeps the bathroom fresh and prevents buildup. It also helps you notice if you're running low on essentials before it becomes urgent. Lastly, take a moment each evening before you settle in to simply look around. Walk through the house, turn off lights, put away a few items, and breathe. This habit of closing the day with calm intention not only keeps things organized but also gives you peace of mind. It's a gentle way of saying, "This is my home, and I take care of it." And when you wake up in the morning to a space that feels clear and welcoming, your entire day begins on a better note. You don't need to do it all at once. Pick just one habit to start. Let it become part of your day, and then slowly add another. That's the beauty of daily routines. They don't have to be dramatic to be effective. For seniors, especially, slow and steady changes often bring the most lasting results. You've already spent a lifetime creating a home. These small habits just help you enjoy it more fully, with less stress and more comfort. Thank you for joining us today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like